Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to remove an Instagram account from the mobile. If you have several accounts on your Instagram app and you want to remove one, following the step first step is open your Instagram app, then confirm that you want to currently account that you want to log out. I'm open to multiple accounts in my device. I'm select this account, I want log out. Then tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Then choose settings is the first option. Next step is select logout drop down and tap logout this account. Then confirm this action by tapping on logout. Even though you are logged out from one of your account, it still appear on your Instagram. This is due to enable several login information. To remove the account from your Instagram app, not your account, line the app. And then tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner, not the profile icon toward the top. Then tap the hamburger icon 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. And then tap settings is the first option. Next step is select security and choose save login information is the third option. Save login information, tap here. Then move the slide, turn off save login information is a toggle off. Confirm this action to remove your account on your Instagram app by selecting remove.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.